Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of daikon sprouts. These tiny green shoots hold within them a treasure trove of nutrients that can revolutionize your well-being. Join us as we explore the incredible health benefits of daikon sprouts and discover how they can transform your health journey. From immune-boosting properties to their potential in digestive health and beyond, daikon sprouts are a nutritional powerhouse that deserves a place on your plate. Let's dive into the details. Firstly, daikon sprouts are packed with antioxidants, including vitamin C and A, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. This reduces oxidative stress and supports the body's detoxification processes. They contain enzymes that assist in the breakdown of complex molecules, aiding the body in efficiently eliminating toxins and waste products. Daikon sprouts have an alkalizing effect on the body's pH levels. This can help create an environment that is less conducive to the growth of harmful bacteria and toxins. Certain compounds in daikon sprouts may stimulate and support liver function. The liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying the body by processing and filtering toxins from the bloodstream. Chlorophyll, a natural pigment found in plants, is abundant in daikon sprouts. It has been associated with aiding the body in detoxification processes. What's more, daikon sprouts are a good source of dietary fiber, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber adds bulk to stool, promotes regular bowel movements, and prevents constipation. The fiber in daikon sprouts acts as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for efficient digestion and nutrient absorption. The soothing properties of daikon sprouts can help alleviate common digestive discomforts, such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. Did you know daikon sprouts can be a positive addition to a heart-healthy diet? Daikon sprouts are low in calories and virtually fat-free, making them a heart-healthy option for those looking to manage their weight and cholesterol levels. Daikon sprouts provide a good amount of potassium, a mineral essential for regulating blood pressure. Adequate potassium intake helps counteract the effects of sodium, which can lead to high blood pressure. Some compounds in daikon sprouts may contribute to lowering LDL cholesterol levels, which is important for reducing the risk of heart disease. Certain compounds in daikon sprouts may help maintain the elasticity and integrity of blood vessels, which is important for preventing conditions like atherosclerosis. Additionally, daikon sprouts are low in calories, making them a great option for those looking to reduce calorie intake as part of their weight management strategy. The fiber content in daikon sprouts promotes feelings of fullness and satiety. This can help curb appetite and reduce overall calorie consumption. Despite being low in calories, daikon sprouts are rich in essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This ensures that the body receives the necessary nutrients even during calorie restriction. Daikon sprouts have a high water content, which can help keep you hydrated. Proper hydration is important for overall health and can also aid in weight management by preventing overeating due to thirst. Certain nutrients in daikon sprouts may play a role in fat metabolism, potentially helping the body break down and utilize stored fat for energy. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. But wait, there is more. Daikon sprouts are loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C, which help combat free radicals. This protects skin cells from damage, reducing signs of aging and promoting a healthy complexion. The vitamin C in daikon sprouts supports collagen production. Collagen is a protein that provides structure to the skin, helping maintain its elasticity and firmness. Daikon sprouts contain beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for skin health, aiding in cell production and repair, as well as promoting a smooth and radiant complexion. The antioxidants in daikon sprouts may help reduce hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone, leaving the skin looking more even and radiant. Lastly, compounds in daikon sprouts may have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body and alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions. There you have it, folks. Remember, adding daikon sprouts to your meals is like giving your body a little extra love. So go ahead, Let those sprouts shine and enjoy the wonderful journey to a healthier, happier you. Stay healthy, and see you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.